2 years ago, I was diagnosed with stage 4 brain glioma.
The diagnosis was glioma, a primary brain tumor.
My diagnosis was cluster headaches that progressed into a severe, unbearable condition.
In 2019, I was in a car accident. Ever since, I've been hearing voices constantly.
7 months ago, my husband suffered a stroke.
I had a heart attack, followed by an ascending aortic aneurysm.
A range of serious, often life-threatening diagnoses, different stories, yet they all shared one thing in common: hopelessness. These patients turned to RegMed Georgia after exhausting all conventional medical options. With nowhere else to go, they entrusted their health to the founder of regenerative medicine in Georgia, Dr. Tengiz Tkebuchava.
We met with Dr. Tengiz and shared everything we had gone through. His words gave us hope.
My husband had undergone aggressive radiation therapy, so much that it left swelling near the tumor site. While it helped control the cancer, he was suffering from dizziness, hearing loss, and constant discomfort.
I had been through countless procedures, clinical trials, but nothing worked. I was done. I didn't even want to enter the clinic. I didn't want to live anymore. I was seconds away from ending it all.
I had received treatment in Turkey, Italy, and Russia, including rehabilitation. A relative told me about RegMed Georgia. Just yesterday, I underwent the FOP procedure, blood filtration, ozonation, and photobiomodulation.
I had a coronary bypass surgery back in 2019. After a heart attack, you develop a fear of physical movement. Doctors told me not to lift anything over 3 kilograms, to avoid stairs. I'm turning 75 soon and thought my life was over. And yet, when my daughter came from the U.S., she had deep vein thrombosis. Dr. Tengiz recommended the FOP procedure. When she returned to America, her tests showed the clots were gone.
Welcome to the medicine of the future, where your body's own resources become the path to healing.
Regenerative medicine is revolutionary, powerful, and complex. It requires deep knowledge and precision. There are many types of stem cells, and choosing the right ones for the right condition or combining them with other regenerative agents is key.
One of the core treatments at RegMed Georgia is the FOP procedure, filtration, ozonation, and photobiomodulation of the blood.
It's a powerful therapy, and you don't need to be sick to benefit. Even healthy people should consider it once a year for prevention. Every day, we are exposed to pathogens, toxins, heavy metals, and microplastics through air, water, and food. FOP clears out these harmful agents, including dead or malfunctioning cells that clog our capillaries. This cleansing process strengthens the immune system, helping it fight hidden infections and even cancer. Many patients came to us in critical condition, including Dali's husband.
The FOP procedure was carried out on patients whose condition was dire.
I spoke with Dr. Tengiz, gave him all the test results and post-surgery reports. After the FOP procedure, my husband felt great. No complications, just improvement.
The body must be detoxified from chemicals, medications, dead and cancerous cells before stem cell therapy begins. FOP prepares the ground. It boosts oxygen delivery, reduces inflammation, and creates an ideal environment for regenerative agents to work. There are no side effects, no synthetic drugs, no allergic reactions, just pure biological support.
Just a day after the procedure, my husband could walk 3 laps around the stadium without stopping. Before, he could barely manage one.
I feel like I'm flying. 2 weeks ago, I was bedridden, heavily medicated, unconscious from the pain. Now I don't take painkillers. I'm walking. I'm alive. I'm happy.
After the procedure, I feel light, energized.
Ilya's case was complex. A young man with head trauma, auditory hallucinations, and deep neurological issues. And yet, he responded.
My wife had a severe illness. Dr. Tengiz helped her and offered me a repeat FOP session. I feel younger than my peers now, stronger, more alive.
We often see patients with stents, bypasses, or clogged arteries. FOP helps clean those areas and restore blood flow. They walk out lighter, stronger, and more confident.
This helped me not just physically, but emotionally too.
Whether it's trauma, stroke, depression, panic attacks, FOP works. It's a simple 45-minute, painless procedure. The next day, patients wake up transformed, lighter, brighter, hopeful.
I saw no hope. I didn't want to see any doctors again. And then the very next day after the procedure, I could see colors. My body responded. I stood up. I walked. I gained weight. My life changed.
The brain is only 2% of our body, but consumes 20% of all energy and oxygen. Even brief oxygen deprivation can lead to damage. That's why we act fast, especially with stroke patients, often achieving full recovery in days.
Regenerative medicine taps into the body's natural ability to heal. Stem cell therapy uses both autologous and donor cells to stimulate tissue regeneration.
These cells have enormous potential. Today, we performed a combined FOP and regenerative session. Later, we'll use targeted regenerative agents, phototherapy, and more. Even athletes come to us for recovery. FOP helps flush out built-up toxins, enhance energy, and speed up recovery. You may feel healthy, and that's great. But to stay at your best year after year, FOP once a year can make all the difference. At RegMed Georgia, we believe in individualized care, non-invasive methods, maximum results, minimal discomfort. That's our mission, and that's the future of medicine. Universities in the US now offer entire departments dedicated to regenerative medicine. Harvard even has its own stem cell institute. Nobel Prizes have been awarded in this field because this is the medicine of the future, and the future is preventive, where we protect health before it breaks.
If you're ready to take control of your health, RegMed Georgia is here with cutting-edge therapies and real results, trusted by patients from around the world.
They just asked me to come and talk, and look at me now.
If just one person finds healing through my story, then I'll thank God for letting me be part of something this meaningful.
I am